Hey all, we are still on simplifying rational expressions 1c, and I wanted to go down to the second page and look at 9 through 12. So 9 through 12 we see we have a binomial and a trinomial, and both are not factored, but we know how to factor both of these separately, so we're going to do that to start. I'm going to go ahead and do number 9. First off, we'll do a little factor tree here. 5x is 5 times x, and neither of those break down. 50 is 5 times 10, and then that 10 breaks down into 2 and 5. So when I factor this binomial, the thing they have in common is 5. So that 5 goes on the outside of the parentheses, and then the leftovers, which are x, and then 2 times 5, which is 10. That's what goes on the inside of our parentheses. Now, for our trinomial on the bottom, a is 1, b is 12, and c is 20. So when I set up my diamond problem here, give myself a little more space, I'm going to have a times c on the top, b on the bottom. That ends up being 20 on the top, 12 on the bottom, and the numbers that work here are going to be 10 and 2. Since a is 1, I'm ready to write this down as x plus 10 times x plus 2. And then I look for anything that's the same on top and bottom. On this problem, the thing that's the same is x plus 10. So that cancels out. And that leaves me on the top with just 5, and on the bottom with x plus 2. And again, we don't need the parenthesis anymore since it's not being multiplied by anything. So that is how we deal with a trinomial on the bottom and binomial on the top. And if it was flip-flopped, we'd still do the same steps, just upside down. This is the method you're going to use for problems 9 through 12.